If you want to change the language on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 but without the phone, then the only way to do so is by factory resetting your Galaxy Watch 9. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated setting or an option in settings which would allow you to just simply change the language of the smartwatch, and it seems that the only way to do so is by going to settings, choosing general over here, and then by going to reset. Now of course over here you can reset your smartwatch, and then during the initial configuration we have the language selection, and then this seems to be the only place where you can actually change the language. Of course, if you pair your Galaxy Watch 9 again with your smartwatch, then with your smartphone, then the smartphone language is going to be applied on your Galaxy Watch 9 anyway. So, of course, you can also set up the watch without connecting to the phone, and then, of course, you can keep the language, but I assume you want to use your Galaxy Watch 9 with your smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.